What's happening with AMC stocks? Let's take a look at all my positions in the portfolio that I opened on AMC. We'll also touch on volatility, the volatility smile, and historical volatility. Based on this data, we'll continue to develop a strategy, also touching on the options chain. And I'll definitely summarize the week by how my portfolio is outperforming AMC. What positions did I open? Let's start from the very beginning with AMC. The downward trend continues. Nothing much is, as we see AMC has fallen by 8% over the week, approaching its minimum at $3.64. Let's look at the volatility about what's happening here. As we see after the reports, volatility began to decline, and at the moment, it has stabilized at 90%. This is very important information because I base my positions on this information, and this information helps me make money. Let's look at the volatility smile. The smile is directed both upwards and downwards, and this is also worth considering. Later, I will explain why exactly. Let's take a look at implied and historical volatility. Implied volatility is the volatility at the current moment. This is our white line. We see that implied volatility is higher than historical volatility at the front end of the curve. Historical volatility significantly exceeds implied volatility. Again, this can be played. Therefore, it is possible. Currently, far options are cheaper than near options. Therefore, one can buy far options and sell near options. But this is if I'm speaking in the most concise manner. Again, we will come back to this a little later. Let's definitely take a look at the volume in the options. The largest volume in the calls is very concentrated at strikes of $5, $4.5, and $4. The largest volume in the puts is centered around strikes of $4 and $3.5. Thus, we see that the expiration dates are evenly distributed, so we don't have any explicit biases for only closing weekly or monthly cycles. Although on the 19th of April, we have a very large volume closing. This also needs to be taken into account. Just a reminder that I'm maintaining a completely open portfolio regarding the AMC overrun. You can refer to the attached table in the description for my initial goal, which is to overrun AMC. The starting price is $10,000. As we can see, the blue line represents my strategy and the red line represents AMC. This includes everything from the previous week. Last week, I only bought 102 shares of AMC at $4.46 each, so now I have a total of 600 shares with an average price of $4.70. As you can see, I have all of this in my portfolio. Here are the 600 shares of AMC. Also, I want to remind you that in my portfolio, I'm not only holding AMC shares, but also other stocks like SoFi and Tesla. These stocks are also listed in the table, and I'm successfully outperforming them. Now, I will be executing trades live in front of you. My task is to transfer options that expire this week to next week and add new positions with all the logic. I will definitely explain why and how I did it. All right, I've finished transferring the options. My task was to transfer options expiring this week to the next week. Let's look at the results. I rolled the fifth strike 2 weeks ahead. I received $1 per option for this, but I also had to pay a commission, so the trade ended up being essentially break even. However, I rolled a sixth strike with a significant loss, spending $7 per option. In total, I rolled 5 options, resulting in a loss of $35. Including the commission, it totals $40. The reason for this loss is due to the spread, which we shouldn't forget. And I remind you that this is a virtual test account. Here we have a very disadvantageous roll. Of course, this wouldn't have happened on a real account, but again, everything happens as it is in reality. Additionally, I rolled a 7th strike with a loss of around $9 per option. I had 5 options, resulting in a loss of $45. We record this as a loss as well, along with the commission. My total loss from roll options amounts to $50. Regarding the roll for next week, I will review the volatility again and most likely add new options. I have decided to sell 5 options with a strike price of 4.5, expiring on April 5th. I will also sell 5 options with a strike price of 4, also expiring on April 5th. Now I will update the table with all of this information. I have opened new positions, selling 5 puts with a strike price of 4.5. Don't forget about the commission on the sale as well. Strike price of 4. Also 5 positions. Also don't forget about the commission as well. This position, if closed, will bring me $350. I've also added data for the past week. Today is March 22nd, 2024. AMC is currently priced at $4.10, round it to 10 cents. Let's see what we've got for the past week. Again, I remind you that I show everything in real time. I don't like the style of bloggers who tell you about some mysterious short squeeze that won't happen. Again, I'll talk about this a little later about the short squeeze. And what I think about it, I show real positions. And real deals are all absolutely real. Yes, even though this is done on virtual accounts, but you need to follow the logic behind AMC's earnings. You can watch all of my previous videos. And I repeat all the same positions on my real accounts. I just don't want to share confidential information. But in the future, maybe I'll fix it and show it all on real accounts all the time. So at the moment of the start of the AMC experiment, it fell by 2%. My portfolio grew by 5%. Let's see. And the blue line, at the moment, it's also bending down. Why? Because I also have AMC shares. And they are also in the negative. So the blue line bends down. But look at the red line. In fact, at the beginning of the experiment, we were shaken. And AMC continued to fall. This is what happens when you simply hold AMC. And look at my profit. What happens when you create a smart position? What I earned, friends, I earned on premiums. That is, all this time I was selling options with a strike of 4.5. As you can see, for a long time AMC was above this strike. And it's this premium that I collected, all the premiums for options. It's mine, it's fixed. No one will take it away from me anymore. That's the most important thing. Here AMC may still fall, but my premium is preserved, and I've already directed it to buy AMC shares. Also, all my sold options positions are hedged. I have bought options, so everything is safe. But again, I want to say, never repeat after me. If you don't know how to deal with options, if you don't know how it works, you will definitely lose money. Better write to me by mail and I will definitely help with AMC stocks. I've been working with them for a very long time and I'm earning very well on them. You can only make money on AMC stocks through volatility. You just need to sell volatility. That's all. That's the main strategy. That's the key to success. Let's get back to AMC stocks. Where can it go? I remind you of my philosophy. I can't predict price movements, and I have no idea where it's going. My main task. This is a sound risk management approach. The main focus is on managing positions intelligently. I am not like you see. Everything is absolutely transparent. Here is how I manage positions. My task is not to predict price movements, but to manage the portfolio wisely, and you will profit from it. If you learn to do the same, you won't care where AMC goes up or down. The most important thing is to consider the expected value and probability theory, and you will succeed. Also, of course, I want to learn about the short squeeze. I have always allowed for the possibility of a short squeeze up to $10. This is, by the way, very serious, almost 200%. But everyone who talks about a short squeeze up to $250, they are just lying to you. Again, I understand that many people don't like this. If we look at my channel, as you can see, the number of dislikes on my AMC analysis outweighs everything else. So everything I say about AMC is disliked by everyone, because I deny this intelligent short squeeze. But I am telling the truth. Stop living in an echo chamber. We need to accept this, my friends. I've watched all these bloggers who claim the short squeeze is about to happen. They've been saying this for 2 years now. For 2 years, they've been saying the same thing. They're throwing darts blindfolded, saying the short squeeze will start tomorrow. We see that AMC continues to fall. It falls and falls. It falls and then falls again. Nothing changes here. No short squeeze is anticipated. All these bloggers are just making money from views. Their entire income is focused on making videos and earning from views. I think they don't even hold most of their stocks. Though they might, but it doesn't matter. The point is there's just total misinformation. No one will tell you the truth. No blogger will come out and say there won't be a short squeeze. Everyone will keep lying to you till the end. I, on the other hand, am telling you the truth. But consider this, even if I'm wrong, which I also admit, I could be wrong and a short squeeze might happen. Yes, I could be wrong. A short squeeze could happen up to $500. I'm saying I could be wrong. Those bloggers saying they're not wrong. Understand the logic. But even if a short squeeze happens, look at my position. I have call options. I specifically bought call options for this event. I bought 3 call options with a strike of $8 and 10 call options with a strike of $10. I effectively have 600 AMC shares. Even if a short squeeze happens, I will profit from it too. You see, that's the most important thing to understand, that I don't believe in a short squeeze. But even if it happens, I'll profit from it. That's what intelligent position management is about. And that's what I want to teach you. I talk about it in every video. Absolutely every video. I just can't cover every stock in the portfolio. I've chosen 3 stocks with different volatilities, with different coefficients. It's AMC, SoFi, and Tesla. And each stock has its own approach. And I demonstrate how to do this intelligently. You just need to apply the same logic to other stocks. In the future, I might start a real account where I'll actually show how to make money from scratch. Absolutely from scratch, starting with $0. And we'll move towards the goal. If you're interested, be sure to write in the comments that you're interested. I'll continue managing my positions on AMC. And for now, you can watch the previous video. I also talked about AMC there, where the price could go, what's behind it. And again, for now, everything I say is more or less working. Good luck to everyone.